A few months ago, I made a decision that many people in my field thought was strange. I walked away from something I had been doing over a decade, not because I failed, not because I was forced to, but because I saw something coming and I decided to get ahead of it instead of waiting for it to arrive. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what I saw, why it matters directly to you, and what has changed on this channel beyond just name and logo. For more than 10 years, I have been working as a professional 3D artist, and on this channel I have shared tutorials to help you learn softwares like Autodesk Maya, 3ds Max, Chaos, V-Ray and many more. Together we have grown this community to more than 17,000 subscribers. But something major is happening right now. AI tools are transforming how creative work is done. Generating images with tools like Midjourney, videos with Veo 3 and even 3D models with tools like Tripod 3D, Meshy AI and Rodin AI, all in just few minutes with few prompts, was never possible before. These kind of works would normally take experienced professionals hours to create, but now they are just few prompts away. And I realized something important too. If I don't learn these AI tools, someone who does will eventually replace me. So instead of ignoring that change, I decided to learn it, adopt to it and share what I learned with you, so you can stay ahead as well. So starting today, SWK Tutorials is now SWK Insights. This channel will still help you learn, but now the focus goes far beyond software tutorials. Here you will find videos about AI tools for creative persons like you, automations with AI agent, making money with AI, mindset and growth, and insights to help you stay ahead in the rapidly changing creative world. If you have been here since the SWK tutorial days, thank you. Your support helped build this channel. And if you are new here, welcome. New videos every Wednesday. This is the new chapter for this channel and I'm excited to have you on this journey. Thank you.